Hey everyone. So I picked up this Nintendo Switch. I'm not exactly sure what's wrong with it. Everything kind of works well with it. But when I go to reset it, I get an error. Maybe you guys could help me out with it. Go to format. Next. There you go. So it's doing its thing. Reinitialize. It's so bright. Sorry, guys. It's doing its thing. So I got this is actually a new error code. Never got this error code before. Let's try that again. There you go. This is the error I was getting. Error 2181-4008. The use of online services on this console is currently restricted by Nintendo. I've read online a little bit. It seems like it's been, I guess, banned from Nintendo. Whoever had this before, I guess, did some not so nice stuff on the console. I wanted to know if you guys have any suggestions on any ways to kind of make this console, I guess, useful again to a certain extent. You can't make updates, you can't reinitialize it, so I know you can play games, but eventually games will need updates. So eventually it'll completely be useless for, I guess, newer games that need updates. So any suggestions or ideas or even steps to an idea? Like, I don't know, can't think of anything right now, but if you have an idea and you have the steps to make it happen, it would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching my video.